Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My YouTube channel Linguistics and Research Guideline. I will discuss about first language L1. Language is the most significant aspect which makes us different from other species. Accordingly, language acquisition is the most impressive aspect of human development, both in psychological and cognitive perspective. However, all normal human beings acquire the language they first encounter as children. Then they might learn multiple languages, but these languages will always be different from the first language they acquired by being exposed to. So it's the evidence that there are a lot of differences between the first language and the second language of a person. So let's move on. Definition of first language. First language is learned by birth or within the critical period. Our first language is the mother tongue or native language of a person. How language is transmitted. Language is obviously passed on from parents to their children, but on closer inspection, one notices that it's the performance in the technical sense of the previous generation which is used as the basis for the competence of the next. To put it simply, children don't have access to the competence of their parents. Linguistic input from parents' performance, abstraction of structures by children, internalization, competence of next generation. Definition of L1, first language. The process by which humans acquire the capacity to perceive and comprehend language, as well as to produce and use sentences and words to communicate. Issues in first language acquisition. Our behavioristic model of L1 acquisition would claim that practice, repetition, and association is the key to the formation of habits. By operant conditioning, a child learns not only how to initiate a conversation, but how to respond to another's initial utterance and recognize the function of the discourse. Difference between L1 and L2. L1 is like an instinct which is triggered by birth and developed with the experience of being exposed to it. L1 is a personal choice of a person. Meaning of acquire. The first language is acquired and the second language is obviously learned. It's very clear. Acquired means to come into possession or ownership of, which indicates that the L1 is like a dynamic and abstract property which comes into possession of a person. Meaning of learned. Learn means to gain knowledge or skill by study, instruction or experience, which indicates that there is nothing passive in second language learning. More about L1 and L2. L1 acquisition is natural and there is no need for instruction in acquiring it. But on the other hand, L2 learning isn't natural and it needs continuous guidance and instructions. Some facts of difference for L1 and L2. Age, culture, personality, motivation and mother tongue. Thank you from Linguistics and Research Guideline. It's your channel and thank you very much for listening me carefully and for your positive feedback. Keep guiding me and keep supporting me. Thank you. Stay safe and Allah Hafiz. See you. Bye.